In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a TradingView widget on your website. If you're looking to display financial charts, such as stock or cryptocurrency data, on your site, TradingView widgets offer a great solution due to their versatility and advanced features. Let's dive right into the process to get this set up without any hassle. First, head on over to TradingView's free financial widgets page. This is where you'll find all the different widgets they offer, which are designed to make integrating financial data into your site as seamless as possible. Once you're there, look for the option that says Get Widget. Clicking this will open up a variety of widget options for you to choose from. Now, among these widgets, you will see choices like Symbol Overview and Mini Chart, among others. Select one that best suits your needs and the kind of data presentation you desire on your website. Each widget comes with customizable settings, so it's important to choose one that can be tailored to your specific preferences. After selecting your widget, it's time to configure the settings. You'll be able to adjust the symbol, the time frame, as well as the width and height of the widget, ensuring it fits neatly into your website's design. These settings allow you to display the information that is most important to your audience, right where you want it visually. Once you've got your settings in place, you have an option to click on Indicators and Compare. This feature allows you to add technical indicators or compare different symbols, enhancing the depth of data presented to your site visitors, making their user experience richer. Now, once all your customizations are set, click on Embed Code. This action will generate a snippet of HTML code specifically for your configured widget. Copy this code as it is, what you will ultimately embed on your site. Next, if you chose to use the mini chart, ensure that you've clicked on it to open the relevant settings, and then click on Embed Code again to generate the appropriate code for this widget. After obtaining your embed code, simply click Apply to finalize your settings. This will ensure that the widget is properly set according to your configurations. Finally, paste this copied code into the HTML of your website, wherever you want the TradingView widget to appear. This can typically be done in your website's content management system, such as WordPress, or directly in the HTML files if you manage your website's code. And there you have it, a fully integrated TradingView widget on your website. This straightforward process allows you to provide dynamic and interactive financial data for your audience, reliably powered by TradingView. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out other videos where we dive deeper into enhancing your website with interactive content.